Hello, Menka. Congratulations on your All India rank 19 in FCAT 12024.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
A really good morning. So, Menka, how was the feeling after getting All India rank 19?
So the feeling was surreal, and I felt very proud. My parents were very proud, and I felt कुछ कर लिया है life में.
Of course, बहुत कुछ कर लिया है life में, right?
Yes, sir.
So, must be excited to start your journey at AFA.
Yes, sir. Very excited.
So, Menka, let's get back to 2023 when you were appearing for your very first AFSB, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
time, the Menka I knew was a girl who was not even able to speak for the first 15 to 20 days in the session. You used
Yes,
to
sir.
be बहुत ज़्यादा शर्मीली and all, not thinking to speak whenever other people were speaking. So from a girl who was not able to speak to a girl who was not letting others speak, how that change was possible?
So I believe I was not able to speak because of lack of confidence. And due to regular practice that I did in your session, I was able to gain that confidence and make my place in every group discussion that was held.
Okay, so basically the practice was the basic key that helped you
Yes,
in
sir.
getting that much of confidence.
Yes, sir.
So Minka, if I will be talking about your first AFSB, that was for FCAT 12023, right?
Yes, sir.
That you had at 5 AFSB Guwahati in the month of September.
Yes, sir.
So Minka, if I will be talking about that AFSB, so you got conference out there. So what exactly was the feeling after getting conference out in your very first attempt?
Sir, actually, in my first attempt, I went with the preparation only to get screened in, and I was screened in, and that gave me immense happiness. And sir, I was prepared for getting conference out, and sir, I learned a lot from that SSB, and that's what it was.
So if I will be talking about your second AFSB,
Yes,
that
sir.
was in December, and the exact date was 11th December 2023, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
So 11th of December 2023, you reported to 1 AFSB Dehradun. And
Yes.
again, the same result was there. You again could not get recommended, you got conference out. So what do you
Yes,
feel?
sir.
What were the areas that you found that even after having this much of courage that yes, you have seen the people in the first AFSB at 5 AFSB Guwahati, and you got to know that what exactly are the things that need to be done and
Yes,
what
sir.
exactly you require to be into that elite category of the
Yes,
person
sir.
who are getting selected. So what you thought that where you lacked in second attempt?
Sir, in my second attempt, I believe I lagged in two places. That was my psychology and my interview. So in my psych, I was not able to write very constructive stories that had good actions. And sir, in my interview, I became a little bit nervous, and because of which I forgot some of the CIQs. And so that's where I lagged, I believe.
Okay. So how you prepared for that part? As you have mentioned that you were not able to do good in your psych portion as well as in interview forgot the CIQs and all, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what you did for that to overcome?
So for my psych, as we all know that nowadays all the pictures are available in public domain. So from Sir Telegram, I downloaded all the pictures and I made almost 50 stories on 50 different themes. So it helped me to make a framework in my mind, and because of which I was able to write good stories with good actions and a good positive conclusion. So talking about my interview, sir, I made almost 100 questions regarding me, my life, what my daily schedule is. And sir, I wrote answers of each question, and that's how I was able to tackle interview this time.
So basically you are trying to say that for interview the introspection part helped you, right?
Yes, sir.
You did introspected yourself, whatever you have done in your lifespan, like what you have done for the graduation and other things, whatever you have done so far, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
then after you frame the question answers, and then you try to just construct the way in which you are going to get it delivered, right?
Yes, sir.
And when
Absolutely.
it comes to your TAT portion that you found that you were not able to deliver your best, right? So that time you said that you did practice for at least 50 things, right? And you wrote stories
Yes,
over the
sir.
same, like basically whichever pictures that used to come, the same pictures like SSBs and all.
Yes, sir.
Then you try to frame the actions accordingly and all. So that was basically the approach that you made for your psychological test. That is
Yes,
basically
sir.
it. So, Menka,
Yes,
if I
sir.
will be talking about anything that you felt really tough in terms of preparation, what it was?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat the question?
Anything that you felt tough in terms of your preparation.
Um, Sir, I believe the toughest part was TAT only, because every time I wrote TAT, like there were phases. When I was writing my TAT for my first SSB, I wrote different stories that were not that constructive and that uh, showed a little bit immaturity.
So basically,
Uh,
you told earlier also that in your very first attempt, your ultimate goal was to get in.
yes, sir.
You were not prepared for the second round. You haven't did that much of constructive preparation in terms of your psychological tested interview, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you just felt that yes, that is something that you need to work on, and then you have
Yes,
started working on that on daily basis. That whichever new theme is coming to your mind, you constructed it, and then after you added actions accordingly and try to
yes,
move things on. Right. So, Menka, if I will be talking about your background, so basically you are from army background,
yes, sir.
right? And now you are going to join Indian Air Force.
Yes,
So,
sir.
was Air Force your priority or army was your priority?
Sir, Air Force was my priority.
So, anything specific why Air Force was your priority?
So actually, two generations. That my grandfather and my father. They have both served in army. So I wanted to continue the legacy, but also experience a different domain of defense forces. That's why Indian Air Force.
Okay, that's nice. So you got recommended from 3FSB Gandhinagar.
Yes, sir.
And if I'm not wrong, the date was 23rd of September 2024 when your AFSP was,
Yes, sir. That day I got screened in, and on 27th I got
you
recommended.
got recommended.
Yes, sir.
So when you were giving the tests there, whether it was psychological test or group discussion, GP, group planning exercise, and then your
Yes.
personal interview. So were you having that feeling that this time you are going to get recommended?
No, sir. So actually, this time I went with the mindset that I'm going to enjoy the process thoroughly. I made very good friends. We were enjoying. In fact, we got liberty also. And in our GTO also, we were all enjoying giving each other chances. In GD also, we were listening carefully to each other's point, and there was not fish market in our group. So we all were enjoying, and I was with the mindset that इस बार तो enjoy करके जाना है और MBA तो कर ही रही हूँ यहाँ पे
होके
मत
जाना है और recommend भी होके जाना है, right?
सो ये तो सोचा नहीं था बट ये था कि मजे जरूर करके आऊंगी.
So basically, you were not thinking about recommendation. You were
Yes, sir.
just going through the process in the best possible manner with whosoever you have made friend with there, right?
Yes, sir. And I think sir that helped me because जब आपके अंदर performance pressure नहीं होता है, at that time you give your best performance, and that's how I think I got recommended.
So basically, you are trying to say that जो भी करना है in terms of preparation, do it earlier. पहले कर
Yes,
लो वहां पे जाके you don't have to put yourself under pressure that no, if I will be doing this, then only I will be getting recommended. If I'm going to do like this, then only they are going to select me, right? So this
yes, sir.
pressure was just missing there. You were
Yes,
just enjoying the process with the group, as you have said that there was no fish market in even being the repeater, right?
yes,
Fish
sir.
market was not there. Basically, you are trying to say that group also matters.
Yes, sir.
Whosoever you got in the group, how they are performing, whether you are letting them speak or not, whether they are letting you speak, that also matters.
Absolutely, that matters a lot.
So, Menka, if I will be talking about in terms of preparation, any specific preparation that you have done for the your third attempt in which you got recommended, apart from the practice you had in the August practice batch. Apart from that, did you did anything specific?
Yes, sir. Sir, as I told you, I wrote 50 stories in 50 different themes. And sir, in my TAT also, I was able to fit those in 11 TAT stories that are there. I was able to fit those stories with a little bit tweaking. And because of that, there was not much mental pressure. So because of which in TAT, many times I see that people get fatigued after writing 12 stories. That did not happen with me. And sir, in interview also preparing those 100 questions in advance, knowing about yourself, self introspection, that really helped me to gain that confidence to answer every question that the interviewer was asking.
So, Menka, have you been to any offline coaching?
No, sir, I have not.
You have never been to.
No, sir.
Again, मेन का एक बार दिमाग में आता है, right? After failures and getting to see the people are going to get recommended, वो academy जा रहे हैं, तो sometimes it happens कि हमें लगता है कि we should give it a try to
Ye-
offline coaching, right? But you did without any offline coaching.
Yes,
So
sir.
again, it is a myth, according to you, that someone have to be there in offline coaching only, then only they will get recommended.
यस सर, एब्सोल्युटली सर। सर खुद के उससे हमारे पास पब्लिक डोमेन में, यूट्यूब में बहुत सारा स्टडी मटेरियल अवेलेबल है। इफ वन इज कंसिस्टेंट एंड वन इज एडमेंट कि करना है, तो आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा यूट्यूब में।
So basically, we are trying to say बहुत से sources हैं हमारे पास. It is not required कि नहीं एक जाना ही जाना है आपने किसी ऑफलाइन कोचिंग में आप 25,000 30,000 का माथा टेकोगे then only you are going to get recommended. This is just a myth, right?
यस सर। यस।
So main guys, you have mentioned कि आपने just self preparation किया, self introspection that really helped you. So basically, we are trying to say कि whatever is there, you just have to prepare yourself accordingly. आपका PIQ that I always used to say, that is going to be the syllabus for you whenever it comes to SSB. So
यस सर।
apart from your PIQ, anything you did?
So actually, I did some changes in my PIQ this time. So in my first and second attempt, actually in my graduation, in my schooling, I was a very active child. Extra co-curricular activities से इतना मोटी गड्डी भर के मेरे पास सर्टिफिकेट्स है, बट मैंने पहले लिखा नहीं था, क्योंकि बच्चे किसी ने मुझे बता दिया था कि अगर आप ज्यादा लिखोगे तो वो लोग ज्यादा क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग करेंगे। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ फियर ऑफ दैट मैंने अपनी सारी अचीवमेंट, सारी एक्स्ट्रा को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेशन लिखा नहीं था। बट दिस टाइम आई रोट एवरीथिंग आई डिड। मैंने 2 मंथ स्विमिंग सीखी थी, मैंने वो भी अपने स्पोर्ट्स वाले उसमें लिखा था। सो आई थिंक सर दैट हेल्प टू शो माई पर्सनैलिटी।
So basically, we are trying to say that छोटी छोटी भी जो भी आपने जिंदगी में अचीवमेंट्स की हैं that you have put forward there in PIQ, right? ताकि अच्छे से आप अपने आप को एक प्रॉपर वे में रिप्रेजेंट कर सको that who you are.
यस सर।
And as you have mentioned कि किसी ने आपको गुमराह कर दिया था, right?
यस।
Don't mention this and all. So basically, you are trying to say कि गुमराह करने वालों से भी आपको बच के रहना है when it comes to SSB.
बिल्कुल सर, मतलब दिमाग में बहुत ज्यादा मिथ्स रह जाते।
कचड़ा भर देते हैं. Basically, you are trying to say.
यस।
So basically, the one thing that I would like to say here, you are trying to convey the message. Just believe in yourself. Do things whatever you know. आपने जो कर रखा है लाइफ में उसके बारे में आपको एक अच्छा आइडिया होना चाहिए. And then
यस।
after you have to perform well,
यस।
right? जो इधर उधर के myths and all. मेन का एक और myth था about the Meritin,
यस सर।
right? उसमें भी you must have been going here and there and thinking a lot of things that is going in the market. इतने
यस।
मार्क्स लोगे तभी इन होगे, इतने मार्क्स लोगे तभी, इतने मार्क्स लेके भी तुम इन नहीं होगे, ऐसा कुछ होगा. So of course
यस।
you were also defying that myth.
Yes, sir. So I certainly now believe that even if आपके marks उतने अच्छे नहीं है, आपको just border line में cut off के marks मिले, you can still get merited just on the basis of your AFSB performance, because 25% is our AFCAT marks and 75% is AFSB. अगर आप AFSB में अच्छा कर लो, तो you will definitely get a good rank.
So basically you know Garima very well, right? And
Absolutely.
of course you both have been the part of sessions only, and
Hmm.
even you have prepared together in
Yes, sir.
practice sessions, and now you are going to be the part of the same course. So how excited you are that the buddy with whom you have participated in the sessions, right? And
Yes.
even if I remember that you were also having the medicals with her only at the
Yes,
same
sir.
center. So must be a good bond with her.
यस सर, वेरी नाइस बॉन्ड। इनफैक्ट वी चैट की सर, क्रॉस कंट्री में साथ में दौड़ेंगे। रगड़ा साथ में खाएंगे।
तो बेसिकली प्रैक्टिस भी साथ में की है,
यस
एसएसबी
सर।
प्रोसेस भी साथ में देख लिया, मेडिकल्स भी साथ में देखे, एकेडमी भी साथ में जा रहे, तो ऑफ कोर्स इट विल बी एक्साइटिंग, राइट?
यस सर।
And if you remember, Garima was also securing only 163 marks, but
यस।
and you were securing 215 marks, if I'm not wrong.
यस
And
सर।
still, her rank is above you. That is only rank 11.
Yes, sir.
So that was basically a mirror to the people who are again and again saying नहीं 200 प्लस लिया तो तुम टॉप ही होगे, अगर तुम्हारे मार्क्स कम है तो यू विल बी एट द बॉटम, राइट?
सर बट ये है कि इफ यू हैव गुड मार्क्स इन योर रिटन यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट अ गुड रैंक। बट
No,
वो है कि अगर
that
आपके
is
कम
for
मार्क्स
obvious.
पे आते हैं
That
तो
is for
हताश
obvious.
में नहीं रह
I,
जाना
I,
है
I
कि
never
अब
deny that fact. Again and again, I used to say that is in your hand. रिटर्न में
यस
आप कितनी मेहनत कर सकते हो, दैट इज अगेन, आप 250 ले जाइए, आपके अगर 300 में 300 आते हैं तो गो फॉर दैट, देयर इज
यस
नथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट। बट अगेन द मिथ दैट हैज बीन इन द मार्केट कि नहीं इतने होंगे मार्क्स तभी यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इन, दैट इज कंप्लीटली मिथ,
यस सर।
राइट? So Minka, if I will be talking about the things that you would say that one should not do, what it would be in terms of preparation?
वन शुड नॉट डू सो वन ऑफ माय मिस्टेक्स आई विल से कि ग्रुप में बस बोलते ही नहीं रहना है, सुनना भी है। Being a good speaker is very important, but being a good listener is also very important. एंड सर व्हेन यू आर डूइंग जीटीओ उसमें पीजीटी होती है। पीजीटी में वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड टोल्ड मी दैट या तो अंदर या तो बंदर। सो ट्राई ट्राई कि जब आप पीजीटी कर रहे हो यू आर इनसाइड द ग्रुप सो दैट जो भी आपके आपका ग्रुप आपको सोल्यूशन बता रहा है यू आर द वन हु इज एबल टू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट। एंड सर सेल्फ डाउट नहीं रखना है एंड बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर लाइफ जर्नी। जो भी आपने किया है नेवर हैव एनी रिग्रेट्स अबाउट दैट। आप इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हो आप उनको प्राउडली बताओ दैट दिस वाज माय लाइफ एंड दीज आर ऑल द लर्निंग्स दैट आई हैव हैड।
So
यस
basically the word that you have used, ya to andar ya to bandar, right? So even you have not been to any kind of offline coaching, you have not been aware of the structures and all. Generally
यस
जो
सर।
एक एस्पायरेंट के दिमाग में चीजें होती हैं कि वी हैव नॉट बीन टू कोचिंग, कहीं हम गए नहीं हैं, तो आखिर हम कैसे जीटीओ को टैकल करेंगे? तो यू हैव मेंशन दैट फैक्ट, यू हैव टू बी विद द ग्रुप, आपको ग्रुप के साथ इंटरेक्टिव होके रहना है। यू शुड नो दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज कुकिंग देयर, क्या आपका ग्रुप चाह रहा है, कितना आप कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो। तो बेसिकली अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, whether you have not been to any offline coaching for the GTO Balli Fatta task and all, but still if you have a mind that is active there with the group, you're collaborating the things, you're cooperating them in a well manner, that is going to help you for sure.
यस सर। स्ट्रक्चर्स बहुत इजी होते हैं। वंस यू आर इनसाइड आप कुछ करो वो बन जाएगा, सोल्यूशन आपके सामने आ जाएगा एंड आई बिलीव आपने लाइक एफकैट इज एग्जाम आपने उसको निकाल लिया है तो आप बट्टा फल्ली लगा के एक रास्ता तो बना ही सकते हो।
So of course it is just basic thing, it is
यस
just like that, you have to use your brain। ये नहीं कि
यस
पहले ही आप जाके कोने में खड़े हो जाओ मॉडल की तरह कि नहीं हमारी तो फोटो खींचने कोई आएगा, राइट?
यस
The basic fact about GTO is you have to get involved with the group,
यस
whether ideas are coming to you, you have to put forward, you have to cooperate the group with the ideas whatever they are thinking of। basically अगर एक सिंपल सा वर्ड अगर मैं यूज करूं, दैट विल बी द इन्वॉल्वमेंट, राइट?
यस
कि आपकी
यस
इन्वॉल्वमेंट थ्रू आउट द टास्क होनी चाहिए when it
यस
comes to the PGT, SGT or any task, right?
यस सर।
So Menka, if I will be talking about the next question, that is in terms of preparation, when you were preparing, बहुत ज्यादा बच्चे होते हैं जो करंट अफेयर्स के पीछे दौड़ते हैं, डरते हैं कि करंट अफेयर्स तो हमें नहीं आता, ऐसा क्या पूछ लेगा करंट अफेयर्स में एंड ऑल। तो क्या ऐसी चीज आपके साथ कभी थी कि
हाँ
यू वर
सर।
अफ्रेड ऑफ दैट?
Yes, I was very afraid of current affairs. My GS is very bad. And in fact, in my FCAT also, I used to score good marks only on the basis of English, maths, and reasoning. My GS almost पूरा छोड़ के ही आती थी. And so this happened in my interview also. My interviewer asked me multiple GS questions in my third attempt in 3 FSB Gandhinagar. And so मैंने बस उनको ये बोल दिया था कि सर मुझे नहीं आता। इट्स अ मिथ कि आपको पूरा जीएस पढ़ के ही जाना है, आपको सारे करंट अफेयर्स पता होने चाहिए। वंस यू आर अवेयर अबाउट योर सेल्फ अबाउट योर लाइफ आप इंटरव्यू क्लियर कर लोगे। इंटरव्यूअर आपकी करंट अफेयर्स देखने नहीं बैठा है वहां पे। ही इज देयर टू नो अबाउट यू, हाउ मच यू नो अबाउट योर सेल्फ।
So basically you are trying to say जो चीजें हम डिस्कस किया करते थे in our interview sessions and all, that you should
यस
know yourself well, कि आप अपने बारे में जानते हो, अपनी सिटी के बारे में जानते हो, आपने लाइफ में जो भी चीजें कर रखी हैं, whatever you have done so far, आगे जो चीजें करने वाले हो वो क्यों करने वाले हो। if you are
यस
aware of this much, that's enough, right?
यस
you have mentioned, अगर ऐसा होता कि जस्ट एक जनरल अवेयरनेस के बेसिस पे आपको अगर उन्होंने जज करना होता तो शायद आपकी ऑल इंडिया रैंक 19 नहीं आती.
Yes, sir.
If I remember, 196 girls were recommended for this FCAT cycle, right?
Yes, sir.
And still you got all India rank 19. It means it was really nice and impressive.
Yes, sir.
अगर सिर्फ उस चीज की वजह से कि नहीं, मान के चलो आपको जनरल अवेयरनेस नहीं आती है, आपको करंट अफेयर्स की इतनी ज्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, तो अगर इस बेस पे दे हैव जज्ड यू, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी रैंक बहुत ज्यादा डाउन हो चली जाती है.
Sir. Yes.
So the basic funda that you are saying, कि you just have to prepare yourself, whatever learnings you have made throughout the life, आपने जीवन में क्या कर रखा है, आपका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड क्या रहा है, क्यों रहा है, and whatever you are supposed to do in future, that you should be aware of, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Menka. So I would really wish you a very happy journey, as well as whatever you will do in terms of training, that you will enjoy, and hopefully
Yes.
very soon to see you in blues. Have a nice day, Menka. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jai Hind.